Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot, but a lot of the world, they know me as Clipper Guy. And as soon as I pick up one of these, I'm definitely Clipper Guy, but I might just be Flattopper Guy. This is an original Brian Drum Flattopper, and I'm so excited to share it with you in this and a series of videos that'll tell you just about everything there is to know about what it is, what it does, and how to work it, how to make some clipper cutting, hair cutting magic with a Flattopper. Well, think of this as an unboxing video, if you will, because we're going to take it out of the package. It comes in a handy clamshell package. It's a great place to keep and store it when you're not using it. But when you open the package up, there's an insert card. That's the backing that you saw in the package. Of course, we've got the Flattopper name in their famous Flattopper font. We got a little logo guy that says, "The only one, clipper cutting made easy, designed and developed by Brian Drum in the UK in Scotland." When you look at the back, we got a couple of retro pictures of some flat top looks. We've got a couple of diagrams for some pointers on how to use the tool and technical information. And you will also note that this information is offered in English, French, and Spanish. So that's your insert card. And in your clam pack, well, what do you have? You have your Flattopper. Awesome tool, specifically designed, any clipper, any hairstyle. Easy to use, tons of features. We're going to get to a features and benefits video in a minute. Keep watching, watch them all, and use the link in the description on this video to order your Flattopper. Watch the whole playlist, subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and turn on your notifications. Never miss a video. I'm Ivan. Thanks for watching.